Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is algebraic, which is uh, exponents and powers, and in that class we take and discuss some important question based on them. Now dear students, in today's class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is algebraic expressions and identities. Algebraic expressions and identity. This is one of the most important chapter of your syllabus. So please dear students do more and more practices of that type of questions, that type of chapters. After that you can solve each and every question of your syllabus. Now we take some important question based on them. Now the question is add the following, and first question is dear students we take as add the following. Okay dear students, and the first part of this question we take as a very important question, and the expression is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 3pq plus 4. This is the first algebraic expressions, and second one is what, 5. Okay this one, 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square, 3p square into q square. So we adding these expressions. So let's say solution. First of all, we add the following expression. So we write this expression within the with plus sign. Look, so this is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 plus this is 5 plus 7 pq minus 3p square q square. Now what I do? Now first of all we break the brackets, and after that we collecting its like term. Let's see. So now we can write as 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Now we break the bracket plus 5 plus 7pq plus minus 3p square q square. Now first of all we collecting its like term. Look, p square q square there and p square q square there. So we take together, so we can take as 2p square q square minus 3p square q, because these are the like terms. So first of all we collecting the like terms. Similarly this is pq, this is also pq, so this is minus 3pq, and this is what, plus 7pq. We take together, and now this is the constant term, plus 4 plus 5, that is we can write plus 9. Adding them, look, this is 4 plus 5, that is 9. Now look, this is 2p square q square, this is 3p square, they both have the like term. So this is minus 3, this is plus 2. So we have minus 1, so minus 1 p square q square. Okay. Now look, this is 7pq, this is minus 3pq. So we subtracting them, so we get plus 4pq is there. Now we have this is plus 4pq and this is plus 9. Now look, now we never adding these terms because of all are unlike terms. You know that like terms are those terms which have the same algebraic factors, but here both all the terms are unlike terms, so it does not contain the like term. So this is never no. This is our final result answer. Okay, so in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we take and solve some of the important questions of your syllabus based on the chapter algebraic expressions. Now The question is, now look, very important question. Subtract subtract 4a minus 7ab 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 plus 3b plus 12 plus 3b plus 12 from 12a from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay, this is the very important questions. Let's see its solution. Dear friends, we subtract this expression from this. So first of all, we write in this way. Look, this is 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 minus this is 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Because of we subtract, now dear friends, we subtract this expression from this. Okay, so in this way we can write in this way. Now we break the brackets. So look, we have 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now we break the bracket. So this is all signs are changed. Look, so this is minus 4a minus minus, this is plus 7ab minus plus, this is minus, this is 3b minus plus, this is minus, this is 12. Now after that we collecting the like terms. Look, a is here, so this is we take 12a minus 4a right together. Now ab and it is there, so minus ab and plus 7ab take together. Now dear friend, this is plus 5b and this is 3b, this is minus 3b take together, and dear friend, constant term is what? This is minus 3 and this is minus 12. So minus 3 minus 12 take together. So first of all, we collecting the like terms. We collecting the what, dear friends? Like terms. Now look, we solving them. Look, dear friends, this is 12a, this is 4a, this is plus 12 minus 4, plus minus 1, we subtracting them. So 12a minus 4a, that is what? 8a. So here we have 8a. Now look, this is ab, this is a, these are the like terms, and this is minus 9, this is plus 7. So minus 9 plus 7, minus 9 plus 7 is called minus 2ab. This is minus 2 minus 2ab, minus 2ab. Okay dear friends, now look, this is b, this is also b, both are the like terms. So this is plus 5, this is minus 3. So we have what? Plus 2. Okay, so plus 2b plus 2b. Now this is minus 3 and this is minus 12. So minus 3 minus 12 is what? Minus 15. So now look, all are the unlike terms. So we never we add or subtract these terms. So this is 8a minus 12, 2b plus 2b minus 15. This is the result, final answer of the question. So in this way, you can solve that type of question. Now we take and solve some other important question based on this topic. We take a very important question, and your question is multiply x minus y and 3x plus 5. Multiply x minus y and 3x plus 5y. Now look. So now let's see solution. So first of all, we can write it this way. We just multiply them to multiply by 3x plus 5y. Okay. Now look what I do. Now look there. First of all, we can write x into whole expressions minus y into whole expression. Look. So first of all, we can write x into 3x plus 5y minus y into whole means 3x plus 5y. Now we simplify them. Look, first of all we multiply x in 3x and 5y. So if we multiply x in 3x, so we have 3x square plus this is plus 5x into y, that is 5xy. Okay, now similarly we multiply minus y in these terms, so minus plus this is minus 3xy minus plus that is minus 5y into y, that is y square, this is 5y square. Now look here, dear friend, here xy, these are the like terms, so we can subtract or add. So look, so we have 3x square, this is plus 5xy, this is minus 3xy, so we have plus 2xy no? And minus 5y square right as it is. So 3x square plus 2xy minus 5y square, this is the required solution of the given question. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, in this way, dear student, you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. Now we take and solve some other important question. And the question is simplify a square plus 5 into b square plus 3 b cube plus 3 plus 5. Look, this is the question here. There should we simplify the given expression. So let's see the solution. So first of all we have a square plus 5 into b cube plus 3 plus 5. So we first of all we write that in this way, a square into whole means a square into b cube plus 3, okay, and plus 5 into b cube plus 3 and plus 5 right as it is. Plus 5 right as it is. Now we multiply them. So we have a square into b cube, that is we have a square b cube right, plus that is plus 3a square. Now this is plus 5 into b cube, that is 5b cube, and plus that is plus 5 3 the 15 years. 5 3 the what? 15, and this is plus 5 now, and plus 5 right as it is. Now we have, look here 15 and 5, These are the like terms. These are the like terms which are both are constant. So we adding them. We have a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus that is 20. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, you can solve that type of question. Okay. Now we take and solve some other important question based on these topics. Let's see. Now look, we take a very important questions, and your question is simplify dear students, p square minus q square multiplied by 2p plus q. P square minus q square multiplied by 2p plus q. Now let's see its solution. First of all, we write given expression q square into 2p plus q. So now we can write as, first of all, we write in this way. First of all, we write p square into whole expression, that is p square into 2p plus q, and now minus q square into 2p plus q. So first of all, we write the given expressions in this format. Now p square into 2p, that is what? 2p square into p, that is p cube, 2p cube, plus that is plus p square into q. This is p square into q. Okay. This is p square into 2p, that is 2p cube, and now this is p square q. Now minus plus, this is minus 2pq square, and minus plus minus, this is q square into q, that is q cube. Now look, no any like terms are there because of this is 2p cube, this is q cube. So we take together, we write in this way, or 2p cube minus q cube, and this is p square cube, that is p q square. It is right as it is. So plus this is p square cube and minus that is 2p q square. This is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, so in this way, dear students, you can solve that type of question. Okay, so this is one of the most important questions. First of all, we have the given expressions, and after that we can write p square into whole expression minus q square into whole expressions, and after simplify them we have this result, and in that terms there are no any like terms are there, so we never we add or subtract these options. Okay, so in this way please do more and more practices and do complete your syllabus exercise. Thus, dear student, in this way, in today's class, we take and solve a very important chapter topic of